Imagine a world without Indian engineers. No Satya Nadella at Microsoft, no Sundar Pichai at Google, no millions of software developers behind the world's biggest tech innovations. What would our world look like? Let's start with the tech industry. Over 30% of Silicon Valley's engineers are of Indian origin. Without them, major companies like Google, Microsoft, Intel, and Adobe would lose key talent. Think about this. No Android as we know it. Sundar Pichai wouldn't be there to lead its development. No cloud evolution at Microsoft. Without Nadella's leadership, India produces over 1.5 million engineers every year. That's the human fuel driving the global digital revolution. Without them, slower app development, delays in AI innovation, and major tech companies losing billions in productivity. It's not just software. Indian engineers are everywhere, from civil and mechanical to aerospace and robotics. In the Middle East, mega cities like Dubai and Doha were shaped by Indian civil engineers. In the US and UK, Indian origin engineers contribute to transportation, energy and manufacturing systems. Imagine no Indian brains behind railway expansions, airport constructions or metro projects. Global infrastructure would slow down, or worse, fall behind by decades. And let's not forget space. India's ISRO engineers are global collaborators. No Mangalyaan mission, no affordable lunar exploration. Now flip the coin. What if Indian engineers never left India? The West would face a massive talent shortage. Universities in the US would lose hundreds of thousands of STEM students. And the startup scene, less diverse, less dynamic, and far less ambitious. Countries like Canada, Australia, Germany, all losing critical contributors to innovation. In 2023 alone, Indian tech professionals filled over 15% of all new tech jobs in North America. No Indian engineers means a slower, smaller global tech economy. But here's the twist. This isn't just about high-level innovation, it's about everyday life. Your Uber app is likely coded by an Indian team. The AI that powers your Netflix suggestions, also Indian engineers. The chips inside your phone or laptop, designed, optimized, or tested by engineers from India. A world without Indian engineers would mean delays, downgrades, and dysfunctions in things we use every single day. Indian engineers aren't just building systems, they're building the future. And without them, our world, quite literally, wouldn't work the way it does. So next time your app loads in milliseconds, or a rocket launches on a tight budget, remember the minds behind the magic and imagine how empty the world would be.